Today we're diving into a recipe I've never actually tasted. That's right, we're making our own version of Nando's Peri Peri chicken, even though I've never set foot in a Nando's. Not once. But here's the thing, I've heard the legends, I've scoured the internet, and what I do know from my research is that it's bold, it's spicy, and apparently it's the kind of chicken that makes grown adults weep with joy. But I also have kids, and kids don't usually go for that mouth on fire experience. So today, I'm on a mission to create Nando-style chicken with all that smoky, tangy flavor, but toned down just enough for the little ones. And let's be honest, maybe for some of us grown-ups too. Will it be authentic? I don't know. But will it be delicious? Yes. First, we're going to grab a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 cup lime juice, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 2 teaspoon oregano, an 1/8 teaspoon chipotle chili pepper, and you can increase this if you want more heat, black pepper and sea salt to taste. I used just shy of a 1/2 teaspoon each. Mix it all together and set it aside while you grab some chicken thighs. 8 was our perfect number today. Put them in a large zip-top bag and pour your marinade over the top. Seal and mix well to coat evenly, then let sit overnight for best flavor. If you're in a pinch, 4 hours is fine. Once ready to cook, you can pop them in the oven or do what I did and grill these babies up. Just make sure to flip them at least once during the cooking process. Once they've reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees, remove them and allow to rest for 5 to 7 minutes if using bone-in thighs, and about 3 to 5 minutes for boneless. Then eat and enjoy! Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this recipe or the original Nando's version. Let me know how it was for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome recipes just like this one.